Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio and Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2026. So if you're here with me, then yay, welcome back. And if you're new here, then welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. Today we have some happy mail that we're going to open up from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And you are going to want to stay tuned until the end of this video because I have a surprise for you. And you will want to know how you can get it. Stick with me. I promise it'll be worth your time. So we're just going to go ahead and start opening up our happy mail. Thank you, Missouri Star Quilt Company, for sending this to me. I did not expect this. As you can see, I haven't even opened it, so I don't know what is in here. Find out what's in here together. And if I sound funny, that is because I still have my cold that I got the day after Christmas. So hopefully I'm on the mend now. I'm starting to feel a little better. I still have the cough and I still have the head congestion, but boy, I gotta tell you, I feel better than I did because that was rough. Okay. Oh my gosh. They sent a whole bunch of goodies. Oh my goodness. All right. So let's pull that out. Let's see what's in here first. Oh, cool. So we have some Bull Cozy pre-cut batting, which is cool. I love Bull Cozy. I'm going to make some of these and we will do them together. That way I can show you how you can use these. This is awesome. Oh, I love it. The next thing that I have in here is, oh my. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, so this is a storage case, your 10-inch squares, your pre-cuts. So this is for your layer cakes. This is how you can store your layer cakes. And I really need this because I have a hot mess going with my layer cakes. So I'm going to do an organization video and show you how I use these. Oh my gosh, Missouri Star, thank you so much. I love this. So this has 4 vinyl zipper pouches that are 12 by 13 inches and 4 fabric storage boards that are 11 by 11. And, oh my goodness, cool. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here. And then there's a Colorworks Premium Solids fabric swatching. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Can you see that? Oh, awesome. I can't wait to sit down and just play with this stuff. Sorry, that's my dog. They're all playing and getting a little bit crazy today. So there's that. And then the Missouri Star Quilt Company thread color card. Oh, so it has all the colors of their threads. If you haven't used the Missouri Star Quilt thread yet, you should. It is excellent thread quality. Highly, highly recommend it. I have used it and I love it. This is so cool. Look at that. So these are the pouches that you store your layer cakes in. I can't wait to do this with you guys. This is going to be cool. This will be another video. I love it. Tell me down in the description box what you struggle with the most for organization. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. Okay, let's do one at a time here. So this is a fabric and project folio binder. Store and organize your 5-inch square pre-cuts. So this is for your charm squares. And it's a binder that you can use to store them. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. Wow. And you can label it up here so that you know the designer and you know what fabric line you're working with. This is so needed. So I will do a video doing some organization stuff, especially since it's the beginning of the year. And I always like to do a little bit of organization in the craft room. So we are going to do this. We are going to organize my craft room because as you can see how I have my pre-cuts stored right now, I'll show you. My system is not the best, to be honest. It's all in this basket. It's in the basket. So you can see I have my fat quarter bundles, and here's some charm squares that I have. Everything just kind of gets thrown in this basket back here, which works fine. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not the best because I also have some that are over here and I have some that are in here, and it would just be great to have them all in one place. So we're going to organize. And then I have some bitty bolts so that you can wrap our fabric on this. So I have yardage and fat quarters. These are for fat quarters, folding fat quarters on a 12-inch bitty bolt. Oh, heck yeah. I am so excited about this. Yay. Thank you so much, Missouri Star. Let's see what else is in here. This is the Missouri Star Quilt project bag. Now, this is amazing. And if you don't know, this is America's 250th year birthday. And so we are doing a celebration with everything that's red, white, and blue. And so that's why this project bag is red, white, and blue. Super excited about this. And let's take a look at what's inside this bag. So it's got the handles, and then it has a strap. You can travel with this. It has a place where you can put your name, your address, and your contact information. And let's open this up. Let's see, we've got a pocket. So this front pocket is a zippered pocket. This would be a great place to store your rotary blades, your refills. It'd be a great place to maybe put your pins, your straight pins, and maybe some of the quilt clips and things like that. This is the perfect spot for that. Oh, how cute. Look at how cute that is. And there's little stars for the zipper pulls. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, this is amazing. It's showing you right here what you can use these different pockets for down here. So you could put your rotary cutter here, your scissors there. Watch, we could put our scissors in here. Our rotary cutter there. This is perfect for this. Look at how perfect. Absolutely perfect. And then you have up here, you have a spot for your pens. If you need a chalk pen, put your chalk pen in there. Say you're doing English paper piecing, you want your glue pen. Sorry, this is an air erasing pen. Stick that there. You could also use a glue pen, a regular pen, whatever. You can put whatever kind of pen you have in there. You have all these different little compartments that are sewn down. So these each are a pocket that are zippered. So you can put clips in here. And then down here, there's stuff in here. You could store your fabrics. You could store your cutting mats. You've got another mat here, probably for pressing, that you could put, carry stuff in here. It's a mesh mat, which is really nice. And then it's got this clasp, so you can just clasp it together and put all of your fabrics in place. And then you zip it up and you take it with you to your retreat or on the airplane or wherever it is that you're going. Voila. Very stylish, very cool. I love this. This bag is amazing. So the surprise at the end of the video, since we're here, is that I am going to be giving away this very bag over on my Instagram account. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're going to want to, because that is the only place that you're going to be able to enter to win this. And you are not going to be getting my scissors and stuff. Just going to throw that in there because I love my scissors. But I just wanted to use it to show you how it works with the bag and what you can do with it. And it, as you can see, it works perfect. So on Instagram, you can follow me over there at The Crafty Author. Just like I am everywhere on social media, The Crafty Author. And you can enter to win this bag. So make sure you head over to Instagram to check out all the details on how to win this beautiful, awesome project bag. And I'd like to thank Missouri Star Quilt Company for sending this to me and for sponsoring this video today and for the giveaway. that is it for me today. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to share it, that's fabulous, because sharing is caring. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. Bye-bye.